and he moved into the middle of the order.
Out toward left center field. Speaking of power, Inciarte's going back. How about that? Andrew McCutcheon with a deep home run.
1-0, looking for a fastball.
In the air, right center field. The first one in the Phillies uniform is a bomb into the second deck.
Like that.
Liner out toward left center field. It is gone. What a call, Johnny. That one's hit well. Out to left center field. Going back on it is Schwarber toward the wall. Gone. Home run, Real Muto, and the Phillies take the lead.
And the 1-2 this time is
1-2 pitch.
Filthy.
Breaking ball and a strike three call.
The 1-2 pitch. That's in for a strike call. Another curve. 1-2 pitch. Swing and a miss. He struck him out.
strikes twice today.
Swing and a miss.
0-2 pitch. Curve. Swing and a miss. He got him.
Swing
There it is.
and a miss. That is number 12.
Out toward right center field. That is well struck. Locastro on the run. It is gone.
But, you know, I saw Jan do it so many times in Cleveland.
Long run for Harper. Robles around second, heading for third. And he is tagged out.
And a line drive into center field. That's going to drop for a base hit. It gets past Pollock, goes to the wall. One run scores. Here comes Kingery. The Phils are going to win the ball game. Out to left field. McNeil going back. It is gone. 3-run walk-off home run for the Phils. Out.
Oh, my
sends one
God.
deep to right